Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get pets in Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, launch Open Your Among Us application on your mobile device and then make sure that you're inside this page. To get pets in Among Us, you can easily purchase them from the game in-store or from the Steam platform. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that from the application itself. From this page, tap on the dollar icon at the bottom right and then tap the pet icon at the top of the screen, which is usually on the fourth option. Now you'll be able to see the list of pets you can purchase. Select the pet you'd like to purchase and then continue with your payment process. But make sure you have enough balance that is used in order to purchase the pet. And once you have, you'll be able to equip it by clicking on the pet icon in the customization menu. That is how you can easily get pets or buy pets in Among Us using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.